This is Sanjay Kumar Tiwari welcoming you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary. Students, we have been uploading videos of different chapters for you, and I hope that you have been watching all the videos nicely and beautifully. Students, you are regularly given homework and you are instructed that you have to do your homework in school copy only. If you buy it from outside, that copy will not be checked. So if you have not bought the copies till today, buy the copies and get all the homework completed in that copy and get it checked also, because marks will be allotted. The students, today I have decided to start a new lesson, Weathering the Storm in Ersama. This is a story of Prasant, who had gone to the block headquarters of Ersama, a small town in coastal Orissa. It was 18 kilometers away from his village. What happens there? And this incident happened after 7 years, the death of his mother. The students, he has gone there to meet his friend and he has decided to stay to spend the day with a friend. In the evening, what happens? It's a very turning point in the story that in the evening a dark and just fearful storm quickly gathered. The atmosphere became very fearful and wind started blowing against the houses with a speed, and Prasant had never witnessed such type of a storm. Although Prasant is not so mature, he is a boy of around 20, so he had not seen, he has not witnessed, he has not come to just face the challenges of life in this way. What happens? Heavy and continuous rain filled the darkness. Ancient trees were so forceful that many strong trees were uprooted and they were forced to fall on the ground. The situation started becoming very fearful, very disappointing and very embarrassed. The students, the air was so forceful that the houses were swiftly washed away. You can really imagine what was the speed and how forceful the air was there. The angry waters started passing through and around the house where Prasant was there. There was just 2 to 3 feet of water in that house where Prasant was residing. The building was of brick and mortar and was strong enough to survive the devastation of winds velocity of 350 km per hour. The house was so beautifully built, it was so strong that it could bear the speed of the air 350 kilometers per hour. In spite of that, the cold terror of family grew with the crashing of the trees that had gone uprooted and fallen on their houses. Sometime in the middle of the night, damaging its roof and walls. Damage was also there. The destruction brought by the cyclone and the ocean continued for the next 36 hours. You can really imagine 36 means 1.5 days, and it cannot be believed because it's a long time and no one can stay, no one can face the challenges if it continues for 36 hours. Although the speed of the air had receded somewhat by the next morning, and to escape the waters, rising in the house, Prashant and his friend's family had taken shelter on the roof. The upper part of the building was full of water. Some unwanted materials were just floating here and there, so they decided to go and stay at the top of the house, on the roof of the house. Prashant says that he will never forget the shock he had experienced at his first glance of the devastation brought by the super cyclone. The speed of the air started going downwards. The rain stopped raining, but the situation remained dangerous. What happened? How did Prashant decided to go back to his house, and what was his journey back to his house? All these things we will come to know in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.